How to awaken India? First, by changing the name to Bharat. Following Mahabharata, Guru Vedavyasa created the spiritual history centering Bhagavad Gita, the Mahabharata. India must not forget the theme name of Bharata after the name of King Bharat, and that tradition or gharana of Satyayuga after the reminder by Swami Vivekananda that with the Avataran descent of Avatar Ramakrishna, Satyayuga has been initiated. Again, taking the advice of Swamiji, education is the manifestation of perfection already in man. How to manifest? Why? Through education. 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 What kind of education? Man of character. That is, man making and character building, teaching with living example of freedom and obedience intermingled. How? In each situation, only live for others. In each situation, you become me and me become you. No special sacrifice is required. Me and you every moment, taken care by each other. I live for you, you live for me. Living together globally and holistically as global citizen. Education system, enjoyment through renunciation. Source teacher is a Ramakrishna tradition monk. He teaches 5 gem students. In turn, one takes charge of 20. So 5 gems together can take charge of 100 students. Philosophy of education: love all, hate none. Love country, love world. Be sympathetic to all. But above all, be strong, be brave. Om Sri Ramakrishna Arpana.